Ni hao, ni hao ma, wohan hao, ni ne, wo yehan hao. Okay, so welcome to Ace for Languages. And today, again, because we already have delivered lesson one and lesson two, okay, for an elementary Chinese, if you're a beginner. So we are doing now day one task. Okay, in the day one task, I will explain to you how the language works. Okay, so we already have designed day one, day two. Now we are in day three task. Okay, so let me share the screen with you, and obviously we'll do a lot of things today. To explain to you a lot of things. Now repeat after me. I will say, for example, I will say ni hao again because ni hao is a pet word for Chinese. Ni hao, ni hao is hi and hello. Okay. Now if I ask you ni men hao is again if I'm presenting to the number of the person. Okay. Ni men hao mang ma, you can say because we already have done the lesson two. Okay, Mangma, I'm busy. Mangma, are you busy? Yeah, Wohan Mang, I'm very busy. Okay. So if I asked you, Ni Shanti, repeat after me. Shanti, Shanti, how ma, what is that? Ni, repeat after me. Ni Shanti, Shanti. Basically, Shanti is your health and body. If I ask you, are you fine with your health? Are you good with your health? Ni, you. Shanti is health and body. How? Literally meaning of how is good. And ma is my question particle. If I asked you, Ni Shanti how ma? Repeat after me. Ni Shanti Hauma. Ni Shanti Hauma is are you fine with your health? Now, for example, if I meet you, I will say Ni Hauma. Instead of saying this, Ni Hauma, I can say Ni Shanti Hauma. Repeat after me. Ni Shanti Hauma. You will say Han Hao. I'm very good. Han Hao. Han is very. Han Hao. Repeat after me. Han Hao. Han Hao. Shishi, repeat after me. Shishi, literally meaning of shishi is thank you. We say thank you in Chinese. Shishi, shishi. Now, for example, if I'm meeting you at the first time, I will say ni shanti hao ma. You say han hao, very good. Shishi, thank you. Nina, it means and you. We say Nina, Nina, and you. That how we are working for a conversation. So we are again, if I ask to you, ni, how ma, what do you say? Han, how, she, nina. If I ask you, ni, shanti, how ma, ni, shanti, how ma, I say, han, how, she, nina. I can say, yeah, han, how, yeah is also, han is very, and how is good. Yeah, han, how, yeah, han, how. Is it clear to you? Clear? So I'm saying also very good. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, let's speak in English. Let's say in English, hi, how are you? I'm good. And you? I'm also good. So what to say in Chinese? Ni hao, hi. Ni men hao. In terms of plural, ni shanti hao ma. Ni hao ma. Han hao, she, ni ne, and you, yeah, han hao. Is it clear to you? So let's recap the vocabularies. Shanti. Shanti is your health and body. Shishi. Repeat after me. Shishi. Shishi is thank you. Na. Na is basically my model particle. Na. Na is my model particle. Yeah. See, go for a town. My tone is what? Yeah. So tone is going towards down, then up. Yeah. Okay. I can say chi. Repeat after me. The Q sound is ch. Chi. Repeat after me. Chi. Chi. Chi is number 7. Okay. Chew. Repeat after me. Chew. Chew. Chew is number 9. Is it clear to you? What is the number 9? Chew. Chew is number 9. Xiao. What is big? Big is ta, and what is small? Xiao. that how I'm giving you the vocabularies for lesson 3. Because dramatically, if you will come to know a lot of things, if you compare from lesson 1, 2, 3, you will come to know a lot of things. Xiao is small and little. Now repeat after me. You say xie shi, thank you. What is the reply of thank you? I will say pu ke chi, pu ke chi. Now pu is not koi baat nahi, see, koi baat nahi, that's fine. Pu ke chi, pu ke chi. Repeat after me. Pu 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 ke pu ke chi, pu ke chi. Repeat after me. So I will say xie xi. You will say you're welcome. Thank you. What you will say in English? Thank you. You're welcome. Xie xi, pu ke chi. Pu ke chi is you are welcome. Is it clear to you? So that's how we are working for a pattern of this Chinese language. Is it clear to you? Okay. I'm sure team, this video will help you out. If you really want to speak very good Chinese, this video will help you out team. Okay. Now, for example, if I will say, thank you, Shishi, Pukachi, Pukachi, you're welcome. Is it clear to you? Okay. So that's how you're working for a pair. Tonglama, Tonglama. Do you understand? Tongla, Tongla. Okay. So bye, take care, Shishi.